Local business video marketing. Local business video marketing. There's no doubt that video marketing continues to grow in relevance. The only question is how quickly can your business adapt to capitalize on it? Learn how to make videos that communicate your strengths, complement your brand and are fun to watch at the same time. Building trust within your digital community of potential clients, existing customers, and possible employee candidates should be a goal in your video marketing strategy. If you imagine a video marketing funnel, the top of the funnel type of videos should aim to introduce your company's service or product and then explain how it can help solve a problem. In 2021, marketers at all types of businesses, small or large, can make video work for their budget and goals. You can shoot a complete 4K video right from your smartphone. And even if you don't know how to edit videos, there are user-friendly, professional-grade video editing software options for all levels of content creators. According to a TechCrunch report, 100 million hours of video are watched on Facebook every day. That's a lot of eyes, and even more opportunity. A successful video marketing strategy will include publishing and promoting on all of your social media channels, in the same way you would use them to boost engagement with any other content. Simply follow the guidelines below to get started leveraging video on social, then explore channel-specific information as your video library grows. You can learn more at the link below. Please like and subscribe to see more great videos on local business video marketing.